I have confidence that the next constitutional amendment will strip these public officials of this immunity, and I am personally in support of that. So one of the measures we are going to take already, apart from the work the anti-corruption agencies, is to have corruption monitors. This is an instrument that will help people train monitors attached to public officials. We are going to begin first with the President, the Vice President, the ministers in the cabinet, the state governors, so that these monitors will be trained in the art of investigation. They will have access by law to their asset declaration forms. They will have access by law to their accounts. They will have access by law to their spouses' accounts and so on, so that highly placed public officials will be monitored. Their assets, properties will be monitored to follow what they are doing in terms of acquiring of illegal wealth while in office. Now, this is an extreme measure, but the situation in Nigeria actually demands this. The other aspect that we are going to introduce, all violations and disrespect for due process will be